All right, guys, doing a Ford. It's a company vehicle. The guy driving it actually got arrested over the weekend, and now the company's stuck without a key because the police took it. So we're going to pick it. It's a little bit. Ford's a little bit harder. You really have to recognize that bounce. Sometimes it doesn't really bounce back at you. So we're gonna read it, or pick it, read it, cut a key. I should probably spray with WD-40. It rained out here last night, and let's see if that number 4 picks. It did pick, so I think we're okay. See, now nothing's locking up. So that number 4 is, no, it's definitely picked. So what's going on with this guy? That number 4 might be overpicked or something. But there is nothing in 7 and 8, so let's start again. Got a tricky one, guys. Got a tricky one. Okay, top is good. There we go. Yeah, that 4 must have been overpicked for sure. So, got 3 options. I'm definitely gonna have to cut a test key on this one. All right, let's test it out. Okay, turning the door, but not the ignition, which is actually totally fine. We're gonna cut our next option, which is gonna be the same key. Going to change the last 2 numbers. So we did this first one, we're doing the next one. If that doesn't work, then we have to use a new key to cut those 2. But one of these should work. That's how you fill it. All right, we'll try this one. All right, that turns it. No start, so it is a chip key. We'll cut the chip key, program it. We're out of here. Wonder if this is why he got arrested. Who knows? Ford, my vehicle. F-Series 2013 key. I'm gonna do add keyless, even though it's a key. Alright, it's gonna take about 10 minutes to program this key. Take one night. Okay, that key took. Yeah. Alright, it's all done.